Power Trick or Trade. Alright people, Power Trick or Trade Sandro here. First I will explain NFLX, then the TSLA plan, so stay tuned for TSLA. These are both great setups, but I like NFLX of course the best. So first we're going to start off with NFLX, then we're going to talk about Tesla. So NFLX is set up to test 201 to 203. That's right, people. The November 17, 195 calls could be used. Before I get into this plan, this stock here is something that, failed to confirm in the beginning of the week. But now we have this nice flag here, people. Now, a lot of reasons, got to support. It's a high probable setup here. Plus, these November 17 are monthly options that are actually another good reason that makes this a kind of a good luck kind of trade, because you got these monthly options that haven't done anything, that are being decimated, but are giving opportunities to make some great gains listen people, on confirmation. All right, now, so what does NFLX need to do? Well, listen people, it's the same criteria here. We want to see this get above 193. Okay, on some good action volume. It gets above 193 means nothing. We need 600K to 1 million. Okay, we need that volume push. Okay, there's one thing about this is we do want to see that volume. Now, if we do get the volume through 193, avazoom, avapoom, we go in. It's simple, right? But if we don't, we'll watch for a basing of 193 and look for some volume and power towards 194.5 to 195. That will be the zone. Okay, so it's earlier now, the entry. Options are less expensive. They're trading very well, high probability. We make great gains. We go to these targets, right? We go to 201, 203. I think what's going to happen is we can push up to those levels. Now, how we smash those levels, I mean, the stock could go even higher, right? But I think what they're going to do is attempt those levels and perhaps basing that top level and then try to push higher. We'll have to make more updates. So this plan here, we're looking for those targets with those weekly options. A joke, nothing. You think this takes nothing for the stock to get there. So these weekly options, plenty of time. Especially, people, especially on confirmation. Now, before we talk about the options, we're going to go talk about TSLA. Both of these stocks are fast movers, great gains. Take your profits, hold runners. It's going to be a great week if we can confirm. The key is, you know what it is, people. I'll show you what it is. Let's take a look at Tesla now. All right, people. So here's the TSLA plan. Now look at people. Before I talk about TSLA, all right. Before I talk about TSLA, I had a great plan for us for the Costco. Beautiful gains, even in this choppy market conditions. So you're following me, first time following me. You want to listen carefully to my videos, and you found gold. You want to subscribe, take advantage of this powerful YouTube channel of mine called Power Trick or Trade. Now let's get back to the plan here, people. Tesla, people. All right, now. I mean, I like this stock too. Lots of great winning trades in this. So listen up, people. Okay. Gain. We got these November 17 options. So this is the interesting thing about it, right? We've got high odds that these can do well on I'll tell you what, on what, right? So Tesla is set up to test 323 to 325. The November 17, 320 calls could be used. I'll suggest other ones as well, but these are good ones that can make some great gains. A lot of people can enter these. 100% doubling your money, easy. Easy peasy. All right, now. So Tesla needs to. I will explain inside this video. All right, now. So look at what we want this stock to do is break above 308 on some good action volume. And good action volume is 600K on a 10-minute chart. Now, if we happen to show 600K and we're smashing through 307, that could be as well. Right? But we want to be smashing around 308 with at least 600K on a 10-minute chart. Okay. Now, if the volume isn't there, we'll have to watch for basing above 308 and look for power through 311 to 311.5. Okay. We do need the volume, people. We want confirmation. You don't want it because this stock can be stuck in chop. Okay. But we push through it. We can't just push through it. We need to push through 308 with the volume. Trust this thing. I know this stock very well, and volume is key. Okay, and again, we break that 308 with some good action volume. It's going to be avazum, right? We vazum, we enter avavum. You know what I'm saying, people? But if not, we gotta watch for that power and basing and power towards those 311, 311 and a half area, people. There's just that's the way it is. So let's see. Let's go talk. Let's talk about the options. All right, people. So Netflix closed at 192.02, down 188. All right, great opportunity for us to make money towards the targets that I explained. So here's the November 17 options now. So let's still go take a look at the. I mean, you can see the trading. It's just so look at this now. The sweet spot one right here. Even the 200s, great volume here, right? You know what? Listen, people. You could take whatever you want, right? You've got take 195s. Okay, they're going to be more expensive. They're going to probably confirm around, I don't know, 220, 230 area. And then you got the 197. Now I talked about the 197 and a half calls as well. Of course, you could use these as well, right? If I were you, I would use between these two. This is where you'll make the greatest amount of money, of course. Of course, if someone wants to go even deeper, 192 and a half. Okay, so they're all good. 192. I mean, look at this. Great trading, but the sweet spot is here. Look at this, because you can see the open interest. Look at the highest open interest is in the 195. That's the sweet spot area. That's close to the confirmation zone, and a lot of move. We catch a 5-7 point swing on those options. They're going to do 200% gains. Easy peasy, people. All right, people. All right, so now we'll talk about Tesla. Tesla closed at approximately 303, right? By 302.99, November 14th. As you can see over here, November 17 options are up here, people, and we'll scroll down quickly to the 320. Now, here's the thing. You can see this. Look at this. Look at that. Why I like this? Listen, people. Look at the open interest right here. Look at this. 3,644 options were traded. Pretty good, right? And open interest was 4,000. So, we got the setup. Options are about $100 an option. Now, of course, on confirmation, you may be looking at $200 an option, right? It could be even more, right? Something like that. I'm not sure, but you could be around that, $200 an option, right? But we smash through we get into the money, and you're going to be the same 200% gains, right? High probability that if they can confirm, of course, if you can confirm, right? I mean, listen, it's not up to me, right? But if the market gives the signals, and I know what the signals are, right? Because we catching all kinds of winning. When my stuff confirms, people, we make money. Look at Costco, right? Let's go to my stream here now. All right, people, welcome to Power Target Trades. See, Power Target Trade, Power Target Trades is where I post the plans. It's called Power Target Trades. Power Target Trade, of course, is me, the system. And you can see here, people, confirmation is key. This is a great design banner made from one of my followers, Fernando. Great job on this. It's also we're gonna try another look to it, but I really like this. Anyways, this is a great banner. Power Target Trade, you see the bull here. Power Target Trade, confirmation is key, which is the key here, people. We don't assume and guess like the hashtag high fly stock clown. That's wrong, since stocks like Netflix, he catches the scalp. He catches the baby moves. He doesn't catch Power Target Trade moves. Now, by the way, people, you see this in my created playlist. See the super plan for Netflix. You should check out the last Netflix confirmation. Huge gains in this option thing. Again, you want to study my created playlist. You want to open up a YouTube channel, a YouTube account. It doesn't have to be YouTube account. Call it, right? Because I do live streams where you can ask questions. We talk about the plans. I have a series, a very entertaining series called the hashtag stock clown, hashtag high flyer series. It's a true story about an individual. But anyways, people, let's not get into that. But subscribe to the channel. A lot of great things happening here. A lot of great plans. I'm telling you, you got the videos all here, all beautiful for you to study and listen and grow. Take advantage of these opportunities while I post these great plans here on Power Target Trades, Power Target Trade, people. So let's see what I say. I'll show you an easy way to subscribe if you do have a YouTube account. Let's see what I say. All right, people. Now that we just finished watching that great detailed video, don't forget to look at my banner. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out my creative playlist. Make sure you study before taking action on power target trades. Every plan that I make has great detailed instructions. And I put my heart and soul in it because I want my subscribers and followers to make great money in the markets. But you have to study, people. Let me show you a way to subscribe. Let's see a picture of me around here in a circle format. Simply click on it and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget, people, at the end of the video to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like